In this set of videos, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a fully functioning WordPress site from one domain to another domain. And this is the source WordPress site that we're going to be moving, and aptly titled, this is the original site. And this is the domain that it's currently on. This is the domain that I'm going to be moving it to. Now this process will work whether you're transferring from one web host to another web host, or if you're moving from a local host to a web host, or vice versa. Just so happens that this domain is on one hosting service and this domain is on a different hosting service, which can be a bit of a problem in some cases. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, I've already logged into the cPanels of both of these, and the potential problem lies in the versions of the PHP and the MySQL databases. This is the destination version. For PHP is 5.4, MySQL is 5.5. This is the original or the source cPanel, where I've got PHP is 5.4 and MySQL is 5.5. Exact same thing. So there should not be any problem whatsoever here. Now this third set of numbers is not that big of a deal. Actually, where it can cause some compatibility issues if you are moving from, let's say, a PHP version 6 to a version 5 or vice versa, or from a 7 to a 5, or from a 5 to a 7. Basically, we're mainly concerned with the first digits here. If the first digits of both the MySQL and the PHP is the same in both the destination and the source, then you should be problem-free. Now, I've broken this process down into a few steps. Step 1 is just a bit of organization, and that is to create a folder on our desktop to hold all of our files, which I've already done right here. It's our working folder in the desktop. Okay, so we're moving right along. I already got one step done. Next, we're going to access our cPanel for both the source and the destination, which I've just done. So we've got that checked off as well. Step 3 and 4, we're going to select and compress all the items to be moved into a single zip file. That's in the source cPanel file manager, as well as in the source PHP My Admin, we're going to export our database. So in the next video, we're going to knock out steps 3 and 4. Then we're going to break these down into a few steps for each video, just to keep things short, sweet, and moving along. But for now, that's going to bring us to the end of this introduction video on moving a WordPress site from one domain to another. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.